Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how I made this DIY dress form. Thanks for watching. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial everyone. I'll be drafting the pattern for the mannequin. For the neck part, I'm just going down by 4 inch. 4 inch here. After coming down by 4 inch, I'll take my neck width as 3 inch. 3 inch. I'm also this is the front body and this is the back body, and I'll be coming down by half an inch. This one mannequin slow. So after that, my shoulder is 16, so that's 8. Then I'll be having 5 here. My shoulder depth is, then I'm using an angle of 8 inches. Yeah, I've already taken my vertical measurement. This is my bust, my under bust, my waist, and this is my hip. I'm using a full gown length of, full gown length of 45 inch. So after that, I'll come down my shoulders for my shoulders by 1 inch. Now I'll measure the midpoint, which is here. I'll come out by 0.5 here. I need my curvature. Don't mind my curve, this is just what I'm managing now. For my ankle. Then after that, I'll begin my bust to bust measurement is 4 inch. So I'm marking the 4 inch down to my waist. I'm going to take my under bust, so I'll take 1.5 here, then also 1.5 here. My waistline, I'll also take 1.5 here, then 1.5 here also. Under my under bust, I'll come down by 1 inch. Hold it. I'll come down by 6 inch. I'll just shape it this way. That being done, I'll go to my shoulder. This is my shoulder, so divide it into 2. The midpoint. I'll extend it down to my breast point. I'll remove a 2 inch dart from it. I'll also extend it down to my breast point. Then I'll replace the 2 inch I removed from it and add it back. Extend it. And I'll fold. Then my first measurement is 38 divided by 4, 9.5. This is the 9.5. Then here it doesn't indicate I want half inch. I have the half inch back. I realize I link up my arm properly, so I'm going to go. So this is actually. So after covering it properly, then you need to meet the line. then my is 30 divided by 4, that's 7.5. 7.5, we have about 3 inch here, so we add a 3 inch back. So then from here, our hip is what? It's 9.5. So this is the ruler. Then the measurement is 10.5, so I'll be minusing 1.5, that is 9. So I'll be starting to the new part. So this is it for the front bodies. Then for the back body, I'm gonna add to grab the arm of camera. Then now I'll be taking the darts of the back. So here the boss point is 4. So I'll just extend the boss points. 4. So I'll just extend it. So here I'll extend it to like 6 inch. And here also I extend it to like 9 inch. Here I take 0.25. 0.5. Also, I take the midpoint of this place, which is I extend it. That inside. At the waist, because this is the waist. This is the hip. At the waist, I come in by 0.5. At the zip, so it means to tighten the back and the next zip for this. So take 0.5 and extend it to the hip. Take this too. And after that, I think the box measurement, the box which is 9.5. The waist is 7.5. This is 1 inch. Add the 1 inch mark. And the hip is 10.5. 10.5. The middle is 10.5 and I minus 1.5 inch. Now what the box the 8, so I'll come in by 1 inch just for the box component. Then I take it back. So let's make it. So that's all we have for the bottom dress and the back. So this is the front bodies and this is the back bodies. So the neck part, I don't know the neck part. The neck part which I measured before the 3 inch. I'll extend it upwards. So this here also. So this is my pattern. This is the front piece, back piece, front piece and back piece. So after that, and I got this foam to put there. The foam I'm going to put it. I'll take my pattern with it. So this foam, and I've also got a fabric which I'll be using for it. I'll pin it down. So now I've cut it and I added an extension of 4 inches under it and 0.5 inches. I removed it. Now I'm going to cut the foam to the fabric. So the foam went enough for the material for the mannequin, so I just had to manage it and cut and share it. So let's move. I will go and be ironing it now and sticking the foam to the fabric with heavy glue. So now I went ahead to join the mannequin. So the mannequin is already coming together to the inside. You know, I said foam might not wasn't enough, so you can see it didn't reach some parts, so I just had to manage it. So this is the inside. I've joined the other side. Then I'll go ahead and join. Like, see the structure the mannequin is already having. I've not even attached or sewn anything to it. It's already giving what it's meant to give. What I'll let me pad it. She's giving. So this is me molding it. So now I made tiny straps like this and I put it in. This is just for my mate, so it's actually not bad for a DIY dress form. It's actually beautiful and perfect. But basically the cost on this is dress form, and basically all the things I use for it, I have it at home. The fabric I put inside is at home, the stick is at home, the cement block I use is at home. So the only thing I go for it is just this brown fabric pattern paper and the foam. So not too bad for a DIY that costs nothing. So this is the measurement. The waist is 27. Not bad for a dress form for that amount. This is the hip is 41. The bust basically has an hourglass shape. The bust is 36 or 35 and a half. So this dress form is actually beautiful, and I hope you love the tutorial. Let me show you the back part. Probably when I'll be doing a dress form, I'll get good materials, probably velvet and things needed, and let me show you the arm parts. See the way I just unstitch the arm parts, put the cardboard inside and all. When you want to make a DIY dress form, don't be like me that manage too much, manage the cost and everything, and basically don't want to use anything on it. You can get fiber, because I noticed that fiber will make the dress form lighter, so you'll be able to put on a lighter bra pole or anything. But if you use fabric is actually good, but it will make it heavy, like it will make it have a bit of a weight. But fiber is very, very light, so that's what that is. And you get the necessary materials, padding to use for it. Then it's perfect. Like, this is a beautiful homemade dress form which is perfect for my materials and my fabric. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.